Welcome to my YouTube channel Krishna Reddy Institute of Civils. In this video, I will explain the introduction of Mughal Empire. So watch this video full and subscribe my YouTube channel to get latest civils classes along with updates. So Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire was an early modern empire in South Asia. Means that is the first empire to rule in the southern Asian region. For some 2 centuries, the empire stretched from the outer fringes of the Indus Basin in the west to northern Afghanistan in the northwest and Kashmir in the north, to the highlands of present-day Assam and Bangladesh in the east, and the uplands of Deccan Plateau in South India. Means the Mughal Empire established their kingdom on all over India, at that time. The Mughal Empire is conventionally said to have been founded in 1526 by Babur. Means the Babur invented this Mughal Empire in 1526. Babur was a warrior chieftain from what is now modern day Uzbekistan. Means he is a warrior from Uzbekistan. Nowadays it is Uzbekistan, and at that time that old name of Uzbekistan is chieftain. What's the name? Chieftain or chieftain, who employed aid from the neighboring Safavid and Ottoman empires. Means he is from which dynasty? Safavid and Ottoman Empire dynasty. In order to defeat the crumbling Delhi Sultanate in the first battle of Panipat. Means he defeated the Delhi Sultanate in the first battle of Panipat. I think you know about Battle of Panipat. In 1527, Babur defeated Sisodiya king Rana Sanga, whom Babur called greatest India king of that time along with Krishna. Means Babur stated that king as the greatest Indian king, along with which king? Along with Krishna, Sri Krishna Devaraya king. Sri Krishna Devaraya king ruled Vijayanagara Samrajya, means Vijayanagara kingdom. And here in 1527, Babur defeated Sisodiya king who Rana Sanga. And after that, in Tanuya near Agra, this situation happened at what? Tanuya near Agra. In UPSC exam, they will ask and bet in which place that Babur defeated Sisodiya king Rana Sanga. You have to answer option called Tanuya near Agra or Tanuya. He will ask you two, Tanuya and Agra. Sometimes two option will be given, but you don't confuse. Just select option Tanuva or Tanuva, and don't select Agra. Agra is place, but near Agra in another place he defeated, not in Agra. Don't confuse at that. The Battle of Tanuva was one of the most decisive battle in Indian history, more than first Battle of Panipat, as defeat of Rana Sanga was a watershed moment in Mughal conquest of North India. Means the battle which was done to defeat Tanuva is the very cruel battle, which is more than Panipat battle. I think you understood that this is the main battle. This is the main battle where Babur defeats the Rana Sanga, who was the king of Sisodiya. And here we know that Mughal conquest of northern India. Mughal mostly ruled which India? Which Indian part? Northern Indian part or northern Indian? The Mughal imperial structure, however, is sometimes dated to 1600 to the rule of Babur's grandson Akbar. This imperial structure lasted until 1720, until shortly after the death of the latest major emperor Aurangzeb. Means here, who is this? Akbar is there? No, Akbar is the grandson of Babur. Then Akbar's son Aurangzeb came, during whose reign the empire also achieved its maximum geographical extent, reduced subsequently, especially during the East India Company rule in India. Means the rule of Mughal Empire reduced slowly. Means reduced slowly during which company rule? During East India Company rule. East India Company is the first company in India to establish their goods in our India. To the region in and around Old Delhi, the empire was formally dissolved. Formally dissolved by the British Raj after the Indian Rebellion Indian rebellion means what? It's just like a battle. Indian rebellion of 1857. Although the Mughal Empire was created and sustained by military warfare. Means Mughal Empire was created by whom? By military warfare. You think that Babur created? No. Babur is a founder, not creator. Creator and founder are different words. Creator means just who put up that project and runs it. But founder means who established the project. Here the battles and the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire was founded by whom? Babur. But it runs after reducing power by military. So military ruled the Mughal Empire after some time. It did not vigorously suppress the cultures and peoples. It came to be rule. Here I have done a mistake. People or peoples. It is not correct. People plural only, and people is also that singular, and plural people only we have to use, not peoples. So to say this grammar mistake, I have done a mistake for you. It came to rule but balanced them by establishing new administrative practices and incorporating diverse ruling elites, leading to more efficient centralized and standardized rule. Means these affected what? These led to more efficient and centralized and standardized rule came. So the base of the empire's collective wealth was agricultural taxes. Means here tax means not now tax. At the time there is a lot of tax, but nowadays some farmers, so many farmers have freedom, but at that time there is no freedom to farmers. They call it agricultural taxes. So what is the base of the empire is to the collective wealth was agricultural taxes instituted by third Mughal emperor, means Akbar collected. These taxes, which amounted to well over half the output of a peasant cultivator, were paid in the well-regulated silver currency. Means they gave the tax in silver currency and caused peasants and artisans to enter larger markets. Means this money was taken by whom? This money was taken by peasants and artisans or artisans. Artisans means just they're artists. They're like artists, and they're also like well-trained people. Well-trained people. The relative peace maintained by the empire during much of the 17th century was a factor in India's economic expansion. Means the Indian economic expanded due to the 17th century empire. Means the rule of Mughal Empire during 17th century led to economic expansion. Economic expansion means change of economic rules. Burgeoning European presence in the Indian Ocean and its increasing demand for Indian raw and finished products created still greater wealth in the Mughal courts. Means the export and imported class due to this. What's that? At Indian Ocean, they have created like harbors, and Mughal courts got money for import and exporting. There was more conspicuous consumption among the Mughal elite, resulting in greater patronage of painting, literary forms, textiles, and architecture. Means due to this Mughal elite, what happened? Patronage means increase of painting, literary forms. Literary forms means just like culture, culturally literature. It's just like a literature. And textiles also increased and architecture get into known, especially during the reign of Shah Jahan. These was caused during which reign means rule. You get a lot of confusion. We have to read this regime or reign. This done at which time? Shah Jahan ruling time. So among the Mughal UNESCO World Heritage Sites in South Asia are, means UNESCO has given some sites as Mughal. So it gives some mark, that mark came to some forts like the Agra Fort and some places like Fatehpur Sikri, Red Fort, Humayun's Tomb, Lahore Fort, and the Taj Mahal, which is described as the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. Here, which is it is described as jewel of Muslim art in India. What are those? They will ask in exam, which of the following are jewel Muslim art in India? So you have to select these: Agra Fort, Fatehpur Sikri, Red Fort, Humayun's Tomb, Lahore Fort, and Taj Mahal. and it is one of the universal admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. Means in the ancient culture or ancient collectibles, this is a masterpiece of the world. Means India has a lot of power at that time, and India has a lot of history. So this is just an intro. In further videos, I will explain you the what is that king wise. King wise, I will explain. I will explain as Akbar, Shah Jahan. For everything, I will make a special video, and comment if you need any further classes for UPSC or for civils. Just comment the subject name and your topic which you need class. I will give you definitely as soon as possible class. So thank you for seeing this video. I hope that you like this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed and learned the class, and comment that which class you need to make further videos. Thanking you and signing off, Hari Krishna Reddy. I am founder of Hari Krishna Reddy Institution of Civils. In my channel, you can know a lot of UPSC civil videos. Thanking you and bye bye.